Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how can we make this app fully functional. Like in the first video we add only the UI, but in this video we are going to add the functionality, like how it works. So I don't want to waste your time, so let's get started. So first we are going to create the all states, like we have a total persons state, bill amount state, tip percentage state, and subtotal, tip amount, and the total bill. So first I'm going to create the total person state. So const just create a total person, and let me add the set total person, and this should be a by default should be a 1. And then I'm going to create the bill amount const bill amount set bill amount is equal to useState should be a nothing. It should be a 0 by default. After this we need to add the tip percentage const, like a tip percentage set tip percentage and is equal to useState. Again, this should by default a 10. Also we are going to add the changes in percentage item. So that's like we are going to remove this person like a percentage symbols. And also in the custom I'm going to remove the custom. Also in the custom I'm going to add the 20, like a 25. So this should be like we do not add the custom percentage. Also let me come here, and this is the, and we need to add the percentage like this. And now I'm going to again, and this should be like a 1 2. So we just create the 4 state: total person, bill amount, and tip percentage. So first we are going to show the total persons, like just we copy this, and this is the tip, and this is the 0 0. We are going to add in this, like total person. We have made a mistake. This should be a per person amount, like a per person amount. Let me remove this total per person amount. Just copy this and come to the 0 0, and we need to make it like this. So now this should be a 0. This should have 1. So let me remove this one also, make it 0 per person amount. You can see this is the per person amount. Then I'm going to add the state in the input. So we need to add the state in the input. So for that, this is my input. You can see inside this we have a chain and value. So let's use this. This is my component. We have create the component of the input. Just click on this, and this is my on chain text and value. So I'm going to use the value. Inside the value I need to add the bill amount. This is the bill amount, and then we have a on change. Let me copy here from here and paste it, and just add the set bill amount like this. And if I add it, so let me subtotal, let's see, this is my 100 rupees is the. So let me print the bill amount also. This is my bill amount, and let me print it here. Let's see, and let me add it 100 rupees. You can see this is our bill amount. This should be our bill amount, and let me add the 100 again. So this is working fine. So this is my bill amount. By default it should be a 0. The bill amount is 0. After the bill, now I'm going to add the functionality about to add the percentage. So I just come to the flat list, Inside the flat list we have a button on press, and we need to add the we have a create the tip percentage state. So just copy this, set the tip percentage state, and we need to like this, and we need to pass the item. When I press this button, we do not see any changes like it is assigned or not. So for that I'm going to make some changes in the style also. So just come here and add the spread operator like this, and we are going to change the background color also. Like we are going to change when the item is selected, we are going to change the background color of that item, like a background. So this is the background color, and we just copy the tip percentage. If tip percentage is equal to item dot item, we need to show as a color dot green color. We have already the green color dot white, like this. So now you can see when I click to the 15, so it changed automatically to the green. When I click to the 18, it changed it. When I click to the 20, it's also changed. When I click to the 25, it changed 10. So now we are going to add the number of the people also. So for that I'm going to the top, and we are going to create the function. First one, const increase person, like this, arrow function. So also we have a set. This is the person, set per person amount. This is the person. Just copy this and add it like a person and +1. So now this will be called per person. This function will be called to increase the person, and then we are going to create one more function, const decrease person, like this, again arrow function. In this we need to add some if condition also, like this should be not person. If less than, if the person is greater than 1, then we can make a decrease. So like set the person, again set person and -1. These are the function of the increasing the person and decreasing the person. So first I'm copy the increasing the function, increasing the persons. Just come here and just search about the person. This is my person, you can see a person, and we have a, this is the plus, and just come here and we need to call this function like this. And now if I click here, so we can increase the function. Now I'm going to add and decrease function. So this is the minus function, and let me add the decrease persons, call it. So now you can see if I click there, so we cannot minus the person. Now I'm also add some alert also, and if the person is this, let me add else alert not allow. We can add just text not allowed. If I click on the minus, so now you'll be see not allow. You can see not allow. So because we are going to the else condition, and we can increase and we can decrease. We have done the logic of the add the people. So now we are going to the total and subtotal. So for the total and subtotal, now we are going to come here. So now I'm going to come here, and we have a bill amount, and this is the tip percentage and per person amount. So first we are going to calculate the subtotal. In the subtotal we need to write the bill amount. Just copy this bill amount and come here to the subtotal. Let's see, this is my subtotal, and we are going to add in this. This is my subtotal, and when I add the 100, so you can see this is my subtotal. We add the 100 rupees in the subtotal. Then we have a tip amount and total bill. So just come here, and we need to add make some calculation. Const first we are going to calculate the tip amount. We have a bill amount, first bill amount. multiply by, so the tip percentage we already have tip percentage. Let me add the tip percentage like this. And after this we need to create a one more variable, const total bill amount is equal to bill amount plus bill amount plus bill amount. This is the bill amount and this is the tip amount. Just copy the tip amount and make it like this. So now we are going to calculate the per person bill also. So for that I'm going to const, just type the per person bill is equal to, we have a bill amount, we have a total bill amount and divided by persons. So first I'm just copy this per person bill and come here to the tip percentage, this per person amount, paste it here, and the second one we have a tip amount, just copy the tip amount, come here to the tip amount, this is our tip amount, you can see, and just we need to add per person, this is the bill amount subtotal and this should be a tip amount, this is the tip amount, you can see, we need to add in this, and now 0 0, and the last one we have a subtotal. So let's see the subtotal, total bill amount, copy, and we have a total, like in this we are going to add and just save it. So now if I add the 100 rupees, you can see we have made a mistake. Let's see the total per person. Where is the issue in this? Let's see. So per person amount. So now we can see the per person amount is becoming as a string. So for that we are going to make it like a numbers, like we need to add the numbers like this, and I'm going to add, and I'm going to make the other thing also, like this should be a numbers. So this is the JavaScript issues numbers, and also this should be a numbers, and this should be a numbers. Tip percentage also should be in a numbers, in the numbers. So now we are not going to face any issue of the string. So if I add 200, so now we can see this is working fine. If I add a 15%, if I add a 18%, 20%, again 25%, you can see. So like this, and also if I increase the persons 2 3 4 5 like this, this is the UI issue. Let me fix this, and this is the persons, and we are going to add the dot to fix like a 2 digit. If I save it, so now if I add a 200 and if I increase 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5, 6, 7, so like this we can create a tip calculator in React Native. Hope you like this video. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.